Hey everyone, do you hear me? Well,
Hey, yes.
okay. Kenneth Dora with us. Hey Kenneth,
Yeah, good day.
how's it going, Kenneth?
Fine. And you?
Very good too.
Sir, I missed yesterday's meeting. I'm sorry for that.
No worries, no worries.
Okay.
As for weather, today's unusual weather in California. There is a cloud
Okay.
and probably it was the rain. I'm not sure. What about
Okay.
your weather, Kenneth, in your place, and what is the temperature in your place right now?
Oh, currently it's a little bit cloudy, about to rain actually.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Same, right? We're on the same page from this point of view as well.
Yeah.
Cool, cool.
Okay.
Okay, let me start because we took time at the beginning. Probably somebody else will join us. And today we are going to share our results. And as usual, we are going for our short agenda. First of all, weekly results. After that, we will talk about future plans and any other questions, answers, suggestions, ideas, whatever, which will be on your mind. Feel free to share on this meeting and we will discuss all of them. And
Okay.
as for our result, we very close in terms of our voice recognition product, and we made some points about development to Heroku. As for mobile, not too much during this week. As for web development, one of the major updates will be related to the Kenneth. He prepared first version of our application, how it looks, and I will show a little bit later. And our designers prepared for us design for feedback process and how it will look in web application, and I will show this a little bit later as well. This is a general progress according to different directions of our community. And right now I want to share some details which will be interesting for everyone. First of all, if you remember, we discussed at the beginning of this week legal questions, and we prepared the document with all legal questions related to the start of the product. And we had a chance to talk with the attorney about this, and actually we created a separate project about legal issues and what we need to prepare for the start our product. Actually, these are three documents. First, this will be terms and condition, and we are going to find the lawyer for this internet lawyer. If you have some referral, feel free to share them. If not, no worries. Or probably you had the experience with working terms and condition, ping me, and probably we will collaborate together according to this. Second document, this is privacy and policy, and I hope that internet attorney will cover this topic as well. And one more document, it's our let's name it data protection document, and or maybe security document. And actually this will be related to the HIPAA compliance. This is a health compliance in United States. I believe that this sometimes related to the global thing. One more thing, it's GDPR or CCPA. This is how we secure our data, and if you will work with this in your past experience, feel free to share. And I believe that internet lawyer will help us, and we gonna find this person. We have 10 referrals from Lina. Then we want to talk with them about this, and this will unblock us of starting in September to sharing our product for the our patients and users. We'll see what will issues legal guys will find, but usually sometimes this means that we need to adjust our application, or we need to add new features, or maybe to exclude some features. We'll see. Next thing, it was about our scheduling process on IVR, and right now everyone who will join to our as a user, every day he will be asked about profile setting data in his profile. And one of the good news that one of the new users during this week will join us, and our voice recognition system perfectly recognized automatic answer from the mail after answer system, and I'm going to check it out and to talk with this user personally. Anyway, right now the system works very well, and in the future we're gonna increase the number of services which we will schedule. This will be some automatic call, automatic gathering profile, and other things which we mentioned in our previous videos and sync-ups. Third thing which I want to mention, our volunteer Abhishek, he prepared pull request, and actually what he did, he improved our Heroku instance. If you remember, right now we have 3 instances which work on Heroku, but for free version we have to use only 2. And what he did, he tried to merge Beat and Celery in one application. Right now it names Start Scheduler, and I'm going to check it in close future. Probably Abhishek will check on his environment, on his Heroku. We'll see. Anyway, in the future, probably this solution will help us to save money and to be independent in terms of number of services, number of processes on our production server for the interactive voice recognition system. And what else? Our great volunteer Maya, she prepared for us very nice mock-up. Let me share this mock-up. This is mock-up for feedback process for the web application. And actually this looks awesome. You see here is our web application, and here this is a button feedback, and every time you will able to put your feedback, when you will hit this link, you will see this pop-up message with the different signs of your feedback, and you can select subject, you can put your email, and maybe give some more details, what does it mean, or what necessary to improve, or whatever, what you like. And here you see different emotions and different levels of your feedback. It looks awesome, and I believe that we will implement it in all our applications, because actually this is a easy way for everything, for insurance application, for the personal web application. And here I like this very much too, because actually our project is about heart, and here you see after you finish your feedback, you will see this pop-up message, thank you, with 2 hearts, and actually this is related to our project. And thank you, Maya, and thank you for your designs. And right now, our web team has a scope to work and to improve application. Thank you so much. And let's back to the agenda. And Kenneth prepared for us first version of our .NET application. And here you will see this is a production working web application. If you will go to these web addresses, hardvoices and herokuapplication.com, you will get this application. It's very nice. Kenneth, if you have some comments, things to share, feel free to share. And as for me, it looks awesome. It works. And thank you for all our volunteers who are involved in web development of .NET application. It's fantastic.
Alex, can I ask?
Yep.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm here.
Can continue.
Yes, I can hear you, Lina.
Yeah, I just want to ask, our QA team already can tested it, or it's too early?
Yeah. It's a one of the wonderful news today that our QA team can try to check it. As for now, there are no a lot of things related to the backend, and you will not able to save something, but probably they can, put hit the links and maybe, I don't know, check the different links and try to find user interface bugs if it's I don't know, maybe different rows, whatever which related for the user interface. Yes. As for the whole functionality, I believe that we will prepare integration with backend a little bit later. And during this week, we discuss some of this point with Abhishek, and I shared the video about this. Check our video one-to-one with Abhishek when he shared his thoughts about how OTP works. And I'm going to implement. I'm going to prepare production version of our Python server in close maybe during next 1 week, and hopefully we will have this production functionality for the web team and for mobile team, and this will unblock our developers too. And sorry for my long speech, Kenneth. Please, could you share your thoughts on maybe how it was? Yeah,
exactly. I want to actually address something here to Lina. Okay, Lina, can you hear me?
Yeah, we hear you.
Yeah, Kenneth, I hear you.
Okay, fine. What you are saying right now, actually, there is no functionality like what Alexa said. So what we have here, it's just like a static product where there is no interactivity. Okay, so at this point in time now, there's no way you can enter the values. So you can see that if you go to the home page, it says site under construction, and if you get to that, yes, the home page under construction, which means that the work is still ongoing. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Now, if you go to the users, please, can you click on the users? Okay. On this part here, it's just a dummy information. All right. At this point, we have not entered. As you can see, you see first name, last name, which means we have not entered. There's no back end. There's no core backend functionality for this right now. Okay. So as time goes on, if the task is being given to me, we can do the core functional, the backend functionality, which will get actual input and output of the product. And also, right now, what you have is mobile friendly. It's responsive very, very, very well.
That's cool.
So if you look at this go to close to the image, you see three. Okay, yeah, you can minimize it. You see the view. Yeah, fine.
Awesome.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Fine. So it's mobile friendly. It's very, very mobile friendly.
Great.
I make sure that I take note of that, everything. So it's mobile responsive. The QA guys, they can test all this functionality and they say it's working very well. Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
But the data now it's do not save it anywhere.
Yeah. There's no entering of data right now. There's no interactivity right now. It's just static like this. Yeah.
Okay, I understand. Okay, great. Kenneth, thank you so much. It's a great work.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kenneth.
So I don't know, Alex, the image. Is the image okay? I don't know.
As for image, Lina, help me, but I believe that we have some kind of logo, or maybe this work in progress.
Yes, we have a logo, and we can add some images from our website and from our mockups. We can, I think we just have to choose some pictures.
Okay.
Okay, we will pick up the logo, and after that we will share this logo, and we will add this logo to everywhere for all.
Kenneth, I think I will add all pictures in Asana, and you will have a chance to add it to your application.
Alex,
Okay.
if you are looking for a logo, then you can contact me also. I can also design logo for you.
Okay,
It's
Mayank.
great, Mayank. Thank you so much.
That's good. That's fine. Thank you, Mayank.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and
thank you.
actually, thank you, Kenneth, for your update.
Recently, I have designed a logo for myself also. If you want to see, then I can show you as a sample also.
Okay, let me stop sharing, and if you want to share something, your update, it will be nice.
Yeah, wait. So I have to share my screen.
Just a second. And yeah, let's try right now. Probably this will work a little bit later.
Yeah. Can you see it?
Yeah,
We
I
see your
see.
screen.
I see
Hello,
myself.
Alex?
Yeah. We
hear
see
me?
your screen, and we hear you. Yeah.
Okay.
And we see the source code of a new application on Mayank local machine.
Yeah. Here it is.
I like this all. it looks very funny.
This is a logo.
Oh, sorry, Mayank. There is a time lag between your speech, and I'm not sure that we will able to get your information right now.
It is. You can basically it consists of a H and a T. So my new initiative is named as Herbal. So I made this for HT.
Oh, sorry, Mayank. It's difficult to understand you. Probably you can share through the text, or maybe send the image to our chat. And yeah, because there is some issues with network. And one more thoughts about Mayank involvement. During this week, he shared his view on the help and how he can help us. And actually, we discuss about.
It's all right. Yeah, okay.
Sorry. Yeah.
I'll send it to you.
Sorry, Mayank, I mute you because it's difficult to understand and there is a connection. And probably it's only on my side. Lina, Kenneth, do you have some issues?
I can't understand any words because something wrong with connection. It's sorry, Mayank.
Yeah.
The network is breaking from him.
Yeah. I think, yeah.
Mayank, point about Mayank that he shared during this week his vision and how he gonna help us. And in addition of Flutter development, he want to share in the future months his platform about users and how this will be interact with the social networks. We'll see. And actually, Mike shared some thoughts about health and what he is thinking about health. Check the video in our on our YouTube channel, One-to-One with Mayank. And on that video, the internet connection of Mayank was a little bit better. And thank you, Mayank, so much for your involvement too. One more things, if we're talking about our YouTube channel, actually, as we agreed on previous week, I started more. We changed approach, and instead of gathering together more and more, we collaborated one-to-one, and I shared this video with one-to-one. And one of the results during this week, you can check video about microservice architecture with Miguel, when we discuss with Miguel what will be first step, and one of the first ball to this game will be mail services. Secondary, you can check our video with Abhishek when we discuss OTP verification, scheduling, and general view how we can improve our application. And we discuss health platform with Mayank. Feel free to check these two. This is actually all our updates. And feel free to share other updates. Feel free to check other videos. This our videos with Erin about using OTP, and our other volunteers who started setting up environment. And probably some of the questions will be covered for you and will be helpful. And as for our future plans, we're gonna finish our IVR development. We're gonna start our conversation with lawyers about terms and conditions, how to start that from lawyers' point of view, from legal point of view. We will be very prepared to start our MVP in September. For sure, we're focusing on mobile application, and any involvement in the mobile will be super helpful. I believe that we will move forward in terms of .NET application, and right now we have very great picture, and we can understand how it works. Kenneth, once again, thank you so much that you handle all this Heroku stuff, and I'm sure that it's not easy, but it's not super difficult, and everyone can use free options from Heroku and make their applications or make their versions as a showing their progress and results.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. And for sure, if our I mentioned that our designers move progress for the 40%, and I believe that during next week we will achieve more results from user interface and user experience design, and our designers will help us a lot. And thank you so much. One of the idea for the designers was from Dalia, and we discussed this point that actually we use free version of our Figma, and every volunteers has their own version of Figma, and probably this is not too bad, because you don't have handle all this stuff related to the sharing, to the lessons, and you give the link, and probably this approach works well. But we should have some kind of space where all volunteers can share their ideas. Probably this will be one of the service which Dalia shared. Probably this will be some document in Google document, or maybe a spreadsheet. We'll see. Probably this will be a Slack channel, and we will discuss this. Anyway, we need some kind of tool which help for designers to collaborate and share their ideas and that everyone will be on the same page in terms of user designs. And
Alex, is this UX UI of the app?
Yeah, we have user experience
Yeah,
team.
and
Yeah, and they contribute and they provide a lot of designs. And you see here, this is for mobile application. And let me share all scope of our UI team. We have a great teams in every space, but here you see all scope of where our volunteers prepared their solutions. Here's the Figma link, and they prepared all these features, and I'm sure that in the future they will finish all of them, and we will provide very good web and mobile application.
Okay.
Yeah, and
cool.
it's wonderful, you know, and
yeah, it's wonderful.
Thank you for everyone that you make it real. And where is our I missed our
So Alex, what I was told you that about the collaboration with my app, so you can make it as you can make it as an option for in your app that people can access that platform so that they can connect with each other.
Yeah. And at the end of our meeting, we on time. Actually, I want to say thank you not only for the designers. I want to say thank you for every volunteers who help make this real. And actually, I found very interesting and nice picture. And I believe that this picture very close to our community, because actually we are a global community from different places: Asia, Africa, Europe, America, every places. Probably in the future we will have some volunteers from the South or North Pole. We'll see. I mean, where this white bears lives, who knows? But here you see on different languages. Thank you guys. Thank you so much, and thank you for
so much.
that you make it real.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And if you have any questions, suggestions, feel free to share them to the personal chat, to the general chat, or maybe we can discuss here, or you can set up a meeting with me, with Lina, or maybe with another volunteers, and to collaborate that to make this world a little bit better. Thank you guys.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you. Have a great week ahead.
Yeah, have a good weekend too, and see you guys next time.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye.